morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
I am fine. What about you?
I am doing well.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept very well.
What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 6 o'clock.
Did you have breakfast?
Yes, I had bread and tea.
Hey, that sounds nice.
What did you eat today?
I ate dosa and chutney.
Great. Do you like South Indian food?
Yes, I love it very much.
Are you going to work today?
No, today is my holiday.
That's good. What will you do today?
I will clean my room and relax.
Sounds like a good plan.
Do you usually exercise in the morning?
Yes, I go for a walk every day.
How long do you walk?
I walk for about 30 minutes.
That is healthy.
Do you drink coffee or tea?
I usually drink tea.
I prefer coffee in the morning.
What are you doing now?
I am talking with you.
Haha, that's true.
Are you learning English every day?
Yes, I practice English daily.
That is a great habit.
Do you watch English videos?
Yes, I watch them on YouTube.
Which type of videos do you like?
I like daily conversation videos.
They are very useful for speaking practice.
Yes, they help me improve my confidence.
Do you speak English with your friends?
Sometimes, but I feel shy.
Don't worry, practice makes perfect. Don't worry, practice makes perfect.
You are right. I will practice more.
That's the spirit.
Thank you for encouraging me.